My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, oh, that just went all on my lip gloss, is going to be an unboxing of my Allure beauty box for the month of August. So if you would like to see what I got this month, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. And at the end of the video, I'm going to have an important question about my unboxing videos, so I would appreciate anyone who answers it. But yeah, so let's get into the unboxing. I'm so frustrated because I keep getting my subscription boxes like on days I have to work or like the day before, and then I have to wait until I'm like done working before I can film them, and by then everyone else has already uploaded their videos. Anyways, alright, here is the pamphlet this month. Oh, I like that it's a girl with freckles because I have freckles. And here is the bag. It's a neon, like lime green, which I like. So let me see what I got. Let me open this little bad boy up. So this month's theme is Summer Brights. And the first product is this Benefit They're Real mascara, and this is like not a new, it's like kind of an OG classic mascara, one of the very first mascaras like I not ever tried, that's not true, one of the first like high-end mascaras I ever tried. There we go. And I really do like it. I just haven't had one in a long time, so I'm excited that I got one. Price for full size is $25. Alright, next is this Erno Laszlo Multitask Eye Serum Mask. Okay, they contain allantoin, a moisturizing agent that offers enough hydration to help plump little lines and soothe delicate under eyes. The mask, blah, blah, blah. Okay, price is $35. A silky all-in-one hydrogel eye patch formulated with a powerhouse of ingredients to tackle the major signs of under-eye dark circles, puffiness, fine lines, and wrinkles. Oh, great. I have dark circles, especially when I'm working, because I work nights. So I will take anything that helps battle dark circles under the eyes. The next product is this Primera Alpine Berry Water Cream. Okay, I've never heard of this brand before, but price for full size is $40. This is 0.16 fluid ounces. So this moisturizer is Primera's bestseller, so of course I had to have it. The bouncy gel cream feels rich but absorbs fast, and it hydrates intensely with glycerin and cocoa seed butter. Okay. Here's what it looks like. So it is a like gel water type moisturizer, so this will be really good if you have oily skin. But it seems like it also has kind of a creaminess to it as well. So it would, ooh, it really does give your skin a glow. Ooh, I might like that. Okay. I didn't think I was going to be super excited about that, but putting it on my hand, I actually am. Alright, let's move right along. Okay, the next product is this Nuria Defend Triple Action Eye Cream. And price for full size is $40. This is 0.5 ounces. Okay, it says this eye cream has an unusual and very useful applicator. The plastic disc prevents you from pressing too hard under and helps spread the product evenly. The antioxidant-rich formula absorbs quickly and doesn't crease my concealer. Okay, here's what it looks like out of the box. Let's see what they're talking about. Oh, okay. I see what they're, ooh, I didn't mean to press it out. They're talking about with the little disc. Oh, that's actually kind of cool. But I just bought, like, one of my favorite eye creams ever is the Clinique Pep Start eye cream. But I actually want to try this as well. can never have too much eye cream. Am I right? So I am excited to see how that works. The next product is this Cargo Cosmetics Essential Lip Color. And you'll get one of 11 shades. Which one did I get? I got Kyoto. Okay. Ooh, that's a very nice, pretty, like, pink. Kind of like a baby pink. Alright, I'm not mad. Ooh, that's very creamy and pigmented. Wow. It actually almost has, like, kind of a purplish undertone to it. That's actually really pretty, and it's, like, really creamy. Okay, price is $22, and this is full size. Oh, it's a, okay, Kyoto, a rich cherry blossom pink. Alright. Not mad at that at all. This seems like a lot of products. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 so far, and there's still 2 more. Alright, so next is this Allure Cosmetics Liquid Beam in Topaz. Ooh, this glittering liquid bronze eyeshadow has a glossy wet finish and goes on sheer but is buildable. Oh wait, they lost me at sheer. Price is $22. Yeah, that is pretty sheer, but it says it's buildable. Let's see about that. But it definitely isn't like a Stila Glitter and Glow. Yeah, it is pretty sheer. I mean, it's super pretty, but it is kind of sheer. It might be nice as like a topper to a really pretty eyeshadow. Alright, and the last product is this makeup eraser, the mini in black. Ooh, that's awesome that it's in black. And price is $12. These things, like, honestly work. I remember when they first came out, I was like, it's not going to work like it says it does. But it really does. And I love the mini ones because I will take them with me when I travel. Even though I don't travel that often. I mean, I use it at home too. But I am so excited that they have one in black because they're usually in pink. And then I love using these to take off mascara because it's like the only thing that works. But the ones that they come out with have been pink. So the black mascara will, you know, get all on there. And I mean, you just throw it in the washer and it comes out for the most part. But now that this is black, you won't be able to tell when there is a whole bunch of mascara on it. So that is awesome. I love these things. Wow, there are a lot of products in this month's box. No, 7. There are 7. But still, that's awesome. And there's 1, 2, 3 full-size products. Yeah. I'm really, really happy with this month's Allure. Let me know what you guys think or what you got in your Allure beauty box. And, okay, so here's my question. Do you guys think that would you prefer if I continued to do unboxings, or would you rather see other types of videos from me? Because my unboxing videos are like hit or miss. Like either you guys love them or like 10 people watch them. And I know a lot of it has to do with when I upload it. If I like get a box kind of early and upload it right away, you know, it's people watch it more. But if, you know, like I said in the beginning of the video, if I get it and then I have to work and can't film it for almost a week, then it's kind of like, ugh, I don't even know if I should do it. So let me know your opinion either in the comments, or I might do a poll. I might put a little thing here. So click and just tell me how you feel about that. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you next time.